our joint coordinators, state coordinators, joint coordinators and sub-coordinators. Till now, 23 states are part of IAPWC and we have already formed 151 districts. By the time we were making this presentation, it was 100 districts. And since its inception, IAPWC has conducted more than 350 workshops, CMEs, camps. And I would just like all of you to have a quick look on the Delhi activities. Sir, these are the state committee members, district, these are the activity calendar. And I want to tell you one thing, just see these snapshot activities. First time in the history of IAP, attendance was taken by the office bearers, by our Pooja ma'am. She is our state coordinator IAP Women's Cell. और attendance ली गई थी बाकायदा कि 11 activities में से कितने office bearers कितनी activity attend कर रहे हैं. I think that needs a big round of applause because this is the discipline we are talking about. कौन कितना attend कर रहा है, कौन कितना sincerely efforts डाल रहा है. The next state, Odisha. Odisha representative could not come because she has joined recently a new job. 35 activities are already done in Odisha. These are the Odisha activities. IAP Women's Cell Himachal Pradesh. These are the Himachal. Dr. Nagesh and Dr. Vijay is here. Hi. Thank you, sir, for coming all over. Our IAP HP. I don't think there is any issue there, and they are doing activities though a little slow, but they will definitely pick up. From Telangana, we have Sumeria, Vani ma'am. These are the activities done in Telangana. Uttar Pradesh, more than 31 activities are done. These are the activities. Noida, Kanpur, Ghaziabad, Meerut, Saharanpur. IAP Women's Cell Uttarakhand. Manish sir is here. Hello sir. Manish sir, hello sir. Uttarakhand activities. Hello. Uttarakhand activities. 4 activities are done. 4th is just next week. Then Karnataka, we have Bangalore branch, which has already done 9 activities under the guidance of Dr. Sumita, Dr. Richa, Dr. Shanti. Maharashtra team, a very young team. No state team is here till now, but the girls have already done 22 activities in Maharashtra. 22 activities, very young girls. Snehal, Uttara, Amrita, Priya. Just see. These are the activities done by Maharashtra, and this is the bar graph. Total districts, total number of IAPWC members, upcoming activities and done activities. So this is Maharashtra, and I would like to tell you this is not possible if Pooja Kamble has not been here, our zonal head. Pooja, please give her a big round of applause. These are the activities of Maharashtra, guys. Just have a look. Jharkhand, Ajit sir is there. Uma ma'am is here, the senior most member of IAP Women's Cell, and Renu ma'am from Delhi. She is heading Guru Tegh Bahadur Hospital. Very senior. हम पैदा नहीं हुए थे जब मैम पास की थी. She is here with us. And this is Jharkhand. The activities done. First activity, second, third, fourth. Then Punjab. Davinder is not here. Her husband met with an accident yesterday. So these are the Punjab activities. पंजाब एक्टिविटीज़ के बाद अब हमें सरपंच लोगों के कॉल आते हैं कि हमारे एक्टिविटीज़ कर लीजिए, हम लोग स्पॉन्सर करेंगे. So that is again an achievement. Gujarat, I would like to mention thank you Piyush sir, thank you Sarfaraz sir, thank you Rishikesh sir. Gujarat is the role model how IAP and IAPWC should work together. They are having a combined conference on 5th May और स्टेट वाले बोलते हैं जो लोग आप अच्छे, जिस चीज़ में आप अच्छे हो आप कर लो, जिस चीज़ में हम अच्छे हैं हम कर लें. आप एक्टिविटीज़ करो, हम फंड्स देंगे. सो वी आर डूइंग एक्टिविटीज़ सर, आप फंड्स दीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच. दीज आर द गुजरात एक्टिविटीज़. धारा मैम इज हियर. हाय धारा मैम. These are the activities and extensive media coverage. They have paid from their own pocket for this media coverage. Glimpses of 8 activities, 9th is planned. This is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, Sri Kumari ma'am is here. Kishore. Thank you so much ma'am. Kadapa, Kurnool, Visakhapatnam, Anantapur. Before IAPWC मेरी geography बहुत खराब थी, अब बहुत अच्छी हो चुकी है. So these are the districts. I know how many districts are there in every state. These are the free camps. Nagaland, Tia has already given her presentation. These are the Nagaland activities. Bihar, Dr. Reena Srivastav. Big round of applause for our zonal head, Dr. Purnima, Dr. Smita ma'am. These are the Bihar activities. First time AIIMS Patna में activity हुई थी IUP की. First time because of Reena ma'am. First CME. Manipur. These are the Manipur activities. Governor was invited in their first activity. Rita ma'am is here. Rita ma'am. Hi ma'am. And Manipur, Imphal, these are the activities of Manipur. And Goa, we have Smaranika. Hi. Without any help, she is trying to do whatever she can do. And from now onward, Ketan sir will help her. Please sir. Thank you sir. These are the activities she has done. Kashmir, Nadia. Nadia is here. Masraj sir is here. I would like to mention, he is the one जो flyers बना के देता है women's activities के लिए. He is the one who asked me for IPWC logo, IPWC letterhead, everything he asked. And I think, thank you so much, Masraj. Thank you so much. These are the districts. Already 13 districts are formed, and these are the activities. Puducherry, Supriya ma'am is here. Supriya ma'am. Thank you ma'am. Ma'am, please stand up for a minute. 26 years of working, she has attended each and every activity of either IAP or IPWC, whatever it is. And these are the activities ma'am has done. And ma'am is regularly invited by senior officials in IMA, and she regularly takes the talks. IAP Women's Cell, Tamil Nadu. Where is Tamil Nadu? Thank you Senthil sir, thank you Ramya ma'am. Thank you everyone. These are the Tamil Nadu activities. We have done 22 activities. In Tamil Nadu, Salem district, Chennai, Madurai, Tiruvallur, Vellore, Krishnagiri, Nilgiris, Chennai. Oof, these are the activities. And Kolkata, Arup Kanti sir, Arindam sir, and most importantly our Shere Bengal, Rishi Raj, Indranil, Malay, everyone from Bengal. We have got enormous support in each and every activity of Bengal. And Tanushri could not come. Indira is here. Indira, thank you for coming. These are the activities. And last but not the least, Madhya Pradesh. Where is Madhya Pradesh? We have done 46 activities in Madhya Pradesh in last 9 months. And 2 districts have done 7 activities in 3 quarters. What for we are fighting for, guys? These are the activities of Madhya Pradesh. Just have a look. हम लोग थक गए थे ये slides बना के. Just see. These are the activities. And thank you so much. जहाँ सर has never asked anyone. मुझे क्यों नहीं invite किया? क्योंकि सर को invite करना भूल जाते हैं बहुत सारे लोग. So please invite.
Ma'am, we also exist, ma'am, Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh
For what I think.
अच्छा, let me see. Chhattisgarh नहीं है.
In Madhya Pradesh, only day 1 when first activity started, that time I was there, and after that out of 46, I don't know even which date it happened. And I never asked for which date it was happening.
इंदौर में 7
Okay, I'm not
activities.
complaining.
Neha, where is Neha Srivastav? In the interiors of Madhya Pradesh, she has done जहाँ 2 females हैं, वहाँ पे वो 7 activity कर चुकी है. Only 2 females are present there. Haryana, Dr. Neeti Kurana, Dr. Deepti, thank you so much. Kanika is here, Divya is here. Kanika, Divya, hi. Lot of activities are done already. These are the activities: Faridabad, Gurgaon, Panipat, Yamunanagar, and we have got a good support from the state team initially, and now also I am expecting the same. Chhattisgarh activities, I would like to call Garima and Prashant sir. Please just for a minute. Guys, big round of applause. I don't know where is the slide. They have done 14 activities, 17 activities she has done in Chhattisgarh.
पेरेंट्स एंड प्रशांत सर, हमने 17 एक्टिविटीज़ की है। हमारी 4 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स हैं, 2 बनने वाले हैं बिकॉज ऑफ वहाँ पे फीमेल फिजियोज वर्किंग नहीं है, लेकिन वहाँ पे भी हम 6 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स पे हम वर्क करते हैं।
And Prashant sir, he has been